Alright, so cleaning up my chicken them space and something, so I'm just removing everything from in there and stuff, because when the water sweat and thing, and so may I try clear it up back, we throw some new sawdust in there and give them a more comfortable home. So after 1 month and some, look at my birds. They are so big, grown, and healthy. Thanks be to God. So just start your journey. See me soon start get food to eat and stuff. Excuse. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let me take up. I'm not soon be comfortable again, man. Wait, man. Just give me some time, my man. Give me some time. Let me take out these. Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry to be disturbing your space. Down there so not so wet because the water not go down there and something, but up close it was wet. Give me the broom, please. I could sweep it out anything. Hey, what are you looking at? My neck longy, man. The next one, that one break. I think if you not see it right, they said they're on the front. One talk to the world for me. Say hello. My name is Jim Jack Joe. Trisha, Tisha, Nisha, whatever the name you got, okay? I resemble my brothers and my sisters and stuff. You're all females or male? Male and female, I don't know. Where are you going? Go back inside. Go back. You can talk. You can talk. You say you have to come out of the pen. Huh? Sweeping out the space, then I can put the sawdust in there and some. Excuse me? And when this come in here, so I made use and put at the side so the sawdust will come out and drop on the ground. And push it at the side and something. Go down there so with your family now, bro. Stay down there, so man. You see I'm working right here. You don't want comfortable space? Go down there, so man. They stay, so. Excuse. You know, see, you're the troublemaker. Go. Watch it now. Go, man. I will leave your space like this, you know. You wanna give me trouble. Because the smell probably bother me, you know. If not give me trouble, I say leave it. Make it bother on the nose. Alright. See? The goat eat me something and I throw it in here and something eat me. My pumpkin. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Tell me, say no troublemaker this, you know. Watch out now, watch out now. If you find time, if you come right, to come scratch out. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out. I hope when I start trouble, you know, bother, you know. You not say nothing. Alright, watch out. Alright. You man, scratch, scratch. Cheese and pea. Alright, they can scratch and scratch. Not troublemaker. See them, we throw the pumpkin in there and some. They don't eat it. Where the goat eat it and something. Waste me something. A big pumpkin, almost 2 to 3 pounds. Or 2.5 pounds to 3 pounds and something. Not for it fit yet. Cause inside still white. The goat eat it and then start eating the vine and something. Come. Here you go. I said excuse. You are the troublemaker that say it's so small and something. You are the troublemaker. Soon get some water here and your food to eat. Come on, I love enough food, you know. Here you go.
What do you think for the stone MC? Yeah?
Hmm?
What do you think for the stone MC?
Yeah, man.
What is still?
Just a little bit need to take out and stuff. Sorry. Don't need it. There you go. Alright, a little bit of sawdust will leave down there so it can stay and something because down there kind of dry. Only up here so the water and the food keep and something kind of wet. Give me the sawdust now. The new home. Oh, see, pull off of the ground there, so you can actually pull off this morning. Hmm? Huh? Yeah. You pull off. Watch them, watch them. What that? Yeah, can I come? Watch them, watch them. Watch them. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, I come my food. Hmm? You must scatter it out themselves, you know, so. Sorry, please. Excuse me. Let me scatter it out for you guys. Excuse me. Move, no? Watch it. Nah, put too much in there. So I guess you never buy more than that, eh? More than the 2 bag or something. And the first time we put so much in there and something, and the only thing they do is scratch it out. Watch them. Yes, my birds are doing lovely. So 1 month. For now, yeah. So you put them big. Come your foot in the video. Come show them how big your foot is. Watch out, your foot also. Watch out. Size 12, we are 13. Yeah. Size 13 foot away. Shoes away. You put a size 13. Foot well big. Probably I threw too much in there and something, so face is comfortable. Carpet in the get, you know, well cushiony and nice and something. Yep. That is the one there. Where my girl look for me now? So one there. Are you okay? You're feeling sad? What's wrong with you? You know your time is coming, you know, how much more weeks leave? You getting sad? When you eat my food or something, you never know, so me sad and I have the money to feed you. But all you're not ordinary. You start feel sad? What's wrong with you? Hey. My name is Jim. I'm the big one. My name is Rick. I'm the masculine one. Okay, say hello. So just clean it out so it don't get smelly and stink and funny smelling and something. So I just clean it out and something. This is about the third time I clean it out and something. So making their own comfortable and thing as possible, and then to cut down the smell as well. So you just clean it out and put some new sawdust in there. Hello. Oh, you want to give me that? Right. I'm going to put it back in the sun and put it up here. So. Over here, so? Over there, I get wet up and so I don't want the boat kind of rotten down too much. Don't put too much water in there. No want the boat for rotten down. Lick over me something just to come drink some water. You were that thirsty? Alright, that's good. Thanks much. Thank you. Can take that now, listen to something. So it was the right amount of sawdust today. I only say the right amount, but enough to use. Hello. Just getting some clean water to drink. It's so refreshing. It is so tasty. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Buy them one jelly. I drink back and eat out everything out of them. What you want jelly for do? You want drink jelly and can't drink jelly. You want bite for full? Me biggie man. Big bad. Into ya. You're so big. Compared to little miss right here. Or little star. Little star. And that one I'm a troublemaker and that's why I'm so slim. Instead of if you're busy eating food and get fat. I don't want a small wing and tie in them. I want them to big or something. Come, let me check your wing and see if they're big enough. They big enough? You know, so you can't cut in a two and share and something. So more you eat up your food and get bigger and fat here. Come eat some food. You can eat some food and something that you get big wing and big thigh and big neck and something. No wishy-washy bird. Come eat the food that mommy provide, okay? You want big wing and something. And juicy foot and stuff. Like stew and soup and something. The way I'm gonna get versatile with it when I'm done, you know, feed it and something. Culinary class not nothing to do with me, my love. A jerk at this, a stew at this, a curry at that, a garlic a hit, a chop suey, I want to see what I do, know. A soupy hit, a drinky hit.
Yeah.
A soupy hit, a drinky hit. So just go and eat up on the food and get fat, man. I have a couple more days and so eat up on the food. Yep. Clean water. So that is your food tray and your water is clean and stuff. Came to feed them and something and realized that the container was filled with food and something. So I'm not throwing it in there because when too much in there, something after a while it gets, because they're standing on it and excuse, it's aggressive. Excuse and stop finding food now. What's wrong with you? Come to feed them and some, but I realize food is in it and something. Don't want to throw too much in there. You're suicidal, you know you. Oh, you come, so. You're too terrible. No food there right there, so. So like up my videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks to all my viewers, all the persons that are viewing. I hope this will be some form of help to you guys so that you get motivated in some way to start your own journey with whatever you want to do. Just get up, stop procrastinating, just go forward and just do whatever your mind tells you to do, whether it is farming but something to eat, anything at home, just get up and do it. If you put it off till the next day try go at it. Alright, so toodles until I see you in the next video.